Okay, since I bought some maize and yellow beans, I'm going to be sorting them right here, and we undo the maize, and then ndio niweze kuorganize our groceries zenye zinafaa kuoshwa zioshwe. But I don't think I will wash any groceries. I saw some hack from some YouTube channel here that koza kitu kama nyanya and carrots you should not wash so that end for so long without going bad. The bell peppers, I will be wrapping them in a clean film. Hey, Mungu wangu, kizungu itaniua. The corianders, I will do also that. I think most of the things nina wrap na clean film, na clean film. Hey, my God, na foil paper. So wacha we remove these things, and then I will be showing you what we are doing in a few.
So hey guys, welcome yet to part 2 of our grocery shopping and fridge organizing. In this specific video it will be fridge organizing and what else, and grocery organizing, I guess, too, because I saw that if I combine the two videos it will be a very long video, and I did not want it to be so long, so I preferred doing a part 2 of this separately, and I hope that you will enjoy. I also hope that you enjoyed my previous video, the grocery shopping haul. If you have not yet watched, kindly consider going back to the previous video and watching it, and you will understand and you will enjoy. So guys, I hope that you will enjoy, and you will give this video a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, kindly do me the honor of subscribing, and welcome to the family. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video, and God will bless you abundantly. So since it was at I guess 6 in the evening, I decided not to put my jiko on using woods. I used this method that I put my charcoals on top of my gas ziwake hapo, and then I will put them in the jiko. And let me tell you something, the idea bounced because I did not let the charcoal burn so much, so nilizitoa, and when I placed them on the jiko and I added some charcoal, ikapoa. So I ended up using the woods again, and the apartment was full of oh my goodness. In case you are laughing at me or wondering, yes, I am struggling to put this cling film on. I did not know I discovered what I should do later on, but I'm glad I did because I could have struggled a lot in this. I was calling out for help, but I made it through. In case you're enjoying this video up to this point, kindly consider subscribing and liking to this video. Also, share and leave a nice comment to this, and God will bless you. So here I had discovered what to do with this wrapping whatever. I really was stressed out, but I really got a good idea, and I decided so I could have wrapped these things this way with no stress, and that is what I did. And yes, I was so lucky because the rest of the groceries were too easy to wrap because of this method. No, I'm really just So guys, kindly inform me if it is nice to put fruits inside the fridge, or how I should maintain my groceries from not going bad, or staying fresh for a longer period. Excuse me for my son. He really is a boy. He really loves attention, and I don't mind about that. So I was storing my fruits. I stored all my fruits and my vegetables there. I wrapped my fruits. Others, I kept them in the Ziploc bags, and I kept them in the fridge, hoping that it is nicer, or it is good to refrigerate them and it will cause no problem. So until now, if you're enjoying, hit that notification button, so if I upload my next video, you will be the first person to be notified. For these carrots, I had a stress about how I will store them, but I had an idea. I will ziplock them. I will put them in the ziplock, and it will go at well. Hivyo ndo nilifikiria. I thought niziweke kwa ziplock and I store them zikiwa hivyo, and it was such a good idea. Even though I used a lot of this ziplock, I did not mind because they are reusable and they are life saving. So this is the next morning. The previous day I had slept while my githeri had already cooked and it was good. I had also boiled my mrenda. This was managu. The mrenda, I had not yet packed it. I also boiled my arrowroots, the sweet potatoes, the cassava and the arrowroots. I had boiled them na zilikuwa tayari ziko ready. This morning I just woke up to pack the githeri, also the arrowroots and the mrenda. I also fried the omenas. I fried the omenas and I also packed them, but that will be at the end of the video. What else? That is all I did for this day because I had an unfinished work that I had to do. So yes, here I will be packing the arrowroots and everything that was needed to be packed right here that I had forgotten or that I had not yet done. So for the arrowroots, I divided them into 4 portions, and the one that we took that morning, they were really sweet. My son loved them and he ate a lot. The arrowroots na the cassava alizichaf. Okay, it's everything. Even the ngwashe, he ate like nobody's business. And I was so happy because previously he had alikuwa amezoea ngano mingi, and that is what I was avoiding. The ngano had been a lot. Even for us, we were eating bread, mandazi, yani we were not eating a healthy breakfast, and that is what I was really aiming for, a healthy breakfast. And yes, here I divided my mrenda into 2 way. Let me tell you, I am hopeful that this mrenda will show me a good side of it, and this was the outcome of the fridge. I had not yet put my omenas there, and this was the review of all the things that I had kept in the fridge and the freezer, and I hope that you enjoyed. So until next time, I hope that you have loved this video, and if you have, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you've not. And also guys, share. Road to 1,000 subscribers guys. And yes, these are our omenads right here. And yes, so bye bye, I'll catch you in the next video, God willing. God bless you. Ciao.